Ever tried to stop a sneeze at the last second?
It might feel harmless, but your body doesn't agree. Holding in a sneeze creates intense internal pressure.
That pressure can damage your eardrums, or even burst blood vessels. In rare cases, it can even lead to ruptured throat tissue. No joke. Most times, you're fine, but it's still a risky move. So next time that sneeze is coming, let it out. Sneezing is your body's way of cleaning house. Don't block it. Fuel your mind. Hit subscribe for more weird science in 60 seconds.